Yeah, g'day guys. My name's Dwayne. Pretty much here just to tell you a little story about myself. I never did do really any good at school. Bit of a flunk really. Couldn't really hold any jobs other than mowing lawns and stuff for people. So yeah, I don't know, on the other side I'm a pretty lazy bloke in general. So I kind of came up with something which, you know, it's pretty lazy, which I'm a lazy bloke, and it's a remote control lawnmower. Runs on normal fuel, just 25:1 with a bit of mixture of oil, and I can just program it through the spark plug here with the shower hose, just at the speed I want it to run. And yeah, that's that. We'll come and check it out then, hey? Yeah.
Listen, everybody ready? Ooh, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. I want to tell you on to something that I'm sure you're going to dig.
And just a simple turn off, just there. Stay tuned for the next episode.